provide refinancing facilities for lenders in the infrastructure sector. The extant regulatory framework for IDFs has been revised. The key changes in the revised framework are: 1. Withdrawal of the requirement to have a sponsor for the IDFs. 2. Allowing IDFs to finance toll operate transfer, that is TOT projects, as direct lenders. 3. Permitting IDFs to raise funds through ECBs. And 4. Making tripartite agreements optional for PPP projects. These changes are expected to further augment the capacity for infrastructure financing in the country. The next announcement relates to greater transparency in interest rate reset of equated monthly installments based floating rate loans. Now, let me just read it again. I think that was too long. The next announcement relates to bringing in greater transparency in interest rate reset of EMI installment-based floating interest loans. It is proposed to put in place a transparent framework for reset of interest rates on floating interest loans. The framework will require regulated entities to, again, there are various components. It will require the regulated entities to, number 1, clearly communicate with borrowers for resetting the tenor and or the EMI. Number 2, provide options for switching to fixed rate loans or foreclosure of loans. 3, disclose various charges incidental to the exercise of the options. And 4, ensure proper communication of key information to the borrowers. These measures will further strengthen consumer protection. The next announcement relates to consolidation and harmonization of instructions for supervisory data submission. The Reserve Bank has from time to time issued several guidelines on submission of supervisory returns by the supervised entities. It has been decided to consolidate and harmonize such guidelines into a single master direction to reduce compliance burden and to promote greater ease of doing business for supervised entities. And the next announcement, actually there are 3 announcements within this announcement, and it relates to UPI. And basically the announcements are related to bringing in conversational payments and offline capacity on the UPI, enhancement in transaction limit of small value offline digital payments. The details are as follows. With the objective of harnessing new technologies for enhancing the digital payments experience for users, it is proposed to, number 1, enable conversational payments on UPI, which will enable the users to engage in conversation with artificial intelligence-powered systems to make payments. Number 2, introduce offline payments on UPI using near-field communication technology through UPI Lite on-device wallet. And number 3, enhance the transaction limit for small value digital payments in offline mode from rupees 200 to rupees 500 within the overall limit of rupees 2,000 per payment instrument. These initiatives will further deepen the reach and use of digital payments in the country. And this is the final announcement, the next one, and it's really impactful. We expect this announcement going forward will have a huge impact on our credit sector. The Reserve Bank, in association with the Reserve Bank Innovation Hub, started a pilot project in September last year for frictionless credit delivery through end-to-end digital processes, starting with Kisan Credit Card Loans, that is KCC loans. The pilot for KCC loans is currently operational in select districts of Madhya Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, UP, and Maharashtra. Recently, dairy loans have been included in the pilot project in select districts of Gujarat. Based on the learnings from the pilots and to expand the scope of end-to-end digital lending processes, a public tech platform
तेज मॉनिटरी पॉलिसी रो कमिटी जहाँ निष्पत्ति नहीं बाबद आरबीआई गवर्नर शक्तिकांत दास जहाँ सूचना दौले आरबीआई रो मॉनिटरी पॉलिसी रो निष्पत्ति बाबद सांबादिक सम्मेलन जरिए सूचना दौले किंतु चलित वर्ष रेपो रेट को अपरिवर्तित रखी आरबीआई 6.50% रेपो रेट अपरिवर्तित रखा।